My shop was a disaster, so I fired up my printer and fixed it. Here's what I made.
Honestly, none of this is really that complicated. It's just stuff sitting around with nowhere to go. You know, your bits, your sandpaper, your batteries, your drills. And instead of just buying some plastic organizer off of Amazon that doesn't fit right, I just printed the stuff that printed exactly what I needed, really. Yeah, it takes some time to print. It's not very fast, but I get to learn something new, excuse me, along the way, a new skill. So here's 4 prints that have helped me, and let's run through them. The first one here is going to be your drill bit holder. Um, it's nothing fancy. It's just basic. It gets your drill bits out of your drawers. Uh, every bit's got its own slot, sorted by size. This one's just a basic one, so it's not sorted by size. So I'm not digging around through my drawers anymore and trying to guess which one's my 3/16, drill bit. You can go with a fancy one or just a basic one like this. It's up to you. You can find these files online at, I think I got mine at printable.com. Or if you know your bit sizes, you can model your own through Tinkercad, or if you've got Fusion or any other CAD program. Either way, no more loose bits rattling around in the bottom of your toolbox or your drawers. Perfect. The second one is the sanding disc holder. If you've ever tried to figure out if a disc is 220 or 320 just by looking at it, you know how annoying that is. This keeps them nicely organized. You know how many there are. I got them numbered by the grit size. I just grab them what I need and put it right back. It's a small print, but it saved me a headache every single time. The third one is probably my probably second favorite. It's the undershelf drill bit, or the drill holder, not drill bit holder. It mounts right underneath your shelf or cabinet, whatever you want to do. It holds the drills perfectly. I had to go with the square one because your Ridgid drills have a square body. There's multiple different ones out there. I had a round one here that I thought would fit these, but it's not meant for that. It's more or less for my Ryobi, which I still don't like it because it's on an angle because of that right there, but what can you do? If you're anything like me, I always had things just sitting here, laying down, whatever, always taking up space. And I would always be like moving stuff around. All right, well, now it's up out of the way. Frees up a lot more space. I printed 2 of these right in a row, and boom, instant, charging station. That'll lead me on to the next one. Okay, so this one is my favorite. It's in this case, Ridgid, because I do Ridgid. I've seen other ones for Dewalt, Milwaukee, whatever brand is out there. It is a 4-spot battery holder. Nicely 3D printed. It's got the holes here so I could screw it into the wall, which I haven't done yet. But these just slide in there very nicely. Real nice, up out of the way. Because before, I used to have my batteries just sitting up here. And they're, I had no spot for a charger. This charger was in a different room. Now, my charger's gonna go there. And my batteries will eventually get hung up, somewhere on the wall here. So that's actually probably my favorite one right there. So all right, that's all 4 files. I'll have them all linked down below. They're free. Grab them, print them. If you don't have a printer, maybe a friend or family has one. Maybe they'll print it out for you. These ones are printed in PETG, a little more stable than PLA. And you can have a little bit better weather resistant if you're out in the garage. Don't do PLA. If you're still trying to figure out which printer to get, I went with the Qidi Q2, which is QIDI Q2. I compared that to a Bamboo Labs, Creality, and then of course the Qidi Q. I didn't go with the Bamboo Labs. I know everyone loves the Bamboo Labs, but I didn't like the direction that they were going with locking down software and some of the requirements that you had to do. Creality is decent, but what I was looking for was something with a heated chamber because I wanted to do some engineering filament, carbon fiber, stuff like that. So the heated chamber allows that to print much easier. I'll link it down below. Just letting you know it is a Amazon affiliate link. Let me know in the comments which one you have printed or which one you think you will print. And if it helps, or if it helped, please subscribe. I'll do more of these. And if you want to see more, leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thanks.